What's up?
What are you doing?
We're about to cook it up.
Yeah.
Boom.
Hey guys, Jamie here and Logan once again. What are we making today?
Low carb keto French fries.
Oh my gosh. I'm super excited about this because I'm definitely a fry lover. I don't know what.
I used to be obsessed with French fries, 100%.
I make a lot of sweet potato fries, but I'm into the low carb fry.
Yeah, potato low carb French fries.
No, these aren't potatoes.
I know they're not potato, but we're gonna think they're potato.
Okay, so what I love so much about this recipe is that we're gonna use zucchinis. So they're gonna be zucchini fries. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have seen the other fry alternative on the internet. A lot of people are using jicama, which is a fruit. Have you ever had jicama?
I have not.
So jicama is really good. It's always found in salads. You can eat it plain. I chose to do the zucchini because I feel that jicama, because it's a fruit, might just like throw the idea of a fry off a little bit. So that's why we went with zucchinis.
Yes, and plus I think, guys, these are like literally so low on the glycemic index, they will not spike your blood sugar. There's hardly any carbs at all in this. So delicious, carb-free French fries.
And I'm all jacked up about the homemade low-carb ketchup because I know I've always had trouble finding good ketchups out there. I do like the brand or the ketchup from Primal Kitchen.
Yeah.
But it's also nice to just be able to make all of your own stuff at home, right?
Yeah, okay, so real quick, you wanna go through the ingredients?
Yeah, let's go through them. Here, almond flour. We are gonna actually use nutritional yeast instead of Parmesan, which is what the recipe called for because Logan is dairy-free. Red pepper flakes, just regular kosher salt, flake salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and eggs. That is it for the zucchini. Okay, so separately, the ketchup's gonna be apple cider vinegar, plain old tomato paste, onion powder, flake salt again, black pepper, and a little bit of erythritol for taste.
All right, so Jamie's here just chopping up the fries right now. Are we just cutting these like in half?
I'm gonna do like quadrants basically.
Oh, okay.
Recipe calls for 2 large zucchinis, but they didn't have any at the store, so we went for smaller ones. We might do like this size.
Mini French fries.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, guys, it's crucial that you pat dry all of the zucchini slices with a paper towel because they carry so much water and you want to get that excess water out of there.
Is that to like optimize the almond flour being stuck
it's
to
just,
it?
you don't want it too soggy.
Okay.
Yeah, zucchini and squash, the squash family really just holds a lot of water.
Okay. Now we're putting in all of the French fry ingredients. We're gonna start off with the almond flour. We're just gonna put it in here. So we're putting in all of the French fry ingredients here, and then we're putting the eggs in a plate here. So we're putting in the almond flour. That is 1 cup right there. Then in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Then we are gonna be getting together 1 teaspoon of garlic. So here's the garlic, the pepper flakes, teaspoon of the kosher salt. So look at that, that looks really, really good. So again, and then we're putting in the yeast.
Instead of the Parmesan.
So yeah, this is the nutritional yeast right here, instead of the Parmesan. So we're doing 3 of.
So you're gonna take an empty shallow bowl and do 2 eggs, just cracked in here, because this is what we're gonna dip our zucchini fries into. Just be sure to whisk the eggs together. This is gonna be our base. This is what's going to attach all of our dry ingredients together. Make sure you guys mix this powdered, the dry ingredients nicely, and then we're gonna dip those in there and there.
Okay, now look at all this. We have all of these French fries here. Look at that, that looks amazing. So we're gonna kind of do some teamwork here, and we're just gonna see how fast we can get all this done. It's a competition. Just kidding, we're not doing that. We're just gonna get it done. And it's a lot, so let's do it.
right, guys, so we are at 425 for 25 minutes. All right, Logan just confessed that he's not a ketchup fan. I'm a ketchup fan. I've always loved ketchup.
But
I don't know
I'm very
how.
open-minded because I think that's gonna be much more healthy.
Yeah, it's literally the healthiest ketchup you can probably find. I've always been a ketchup fan. How about y'all? I even would like mix them and like, oh my gosh, so bad. Let's start by measuring out our tomato paste. You need 6 ounces, but we just did it to grams because we're gonna measure it out on the food scale. So we're gonna do 170 grams of tomato paste.
So for those that are curious, it's 28 grams per ounce. Just if y'all have a food scale that doesn't measure that, so that's pretty easy there. Yeah, that actually looks really good.
So here it goes. We got a cup of water.
This is gonna be some fancy ketchup.
A half cup of apple cider vinegar. We've got 6 ounces of tomato paste. Organic, no sugar added, just the natural sugars from the tomatoes.
So if you guys don't want to blend it up, you can just kind of whisk it.
You can mix it.
Mix it however you feel, but we're just gonna use the blender, so.
A teaspoon of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoons of wild salt, I should say, 2. And we have a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, guys? Ready to go. Okay, this is really weird to see all this in my blender bottle. I usually make my morning beverages in here.
It's my blood.
That's gross. Actually, it's not gonna be, it's gonna be so good. Let's see.
We got my blood here. Okay, so we're just gonna blend this up right here. Putting this into the magic bullet. It's like a smoothie.
All right, here's the reveal.
Is it thick? Is it perfect? Ooh, I think that's pretty good.
That looks pretty nice.
That's perfect.
I like it.
All right. All right, we got keto French fries.
I'm dipping it in the ketchup.
I'm using it. I'm using ketchup. It's so weird.
Unreal.
It's so weird how these things literally taste just like French fries. And they're not even close to like real French fries.
The healthiest version of a French fry. Wow, these are insane. I am also most happy about all this homemade ketchup that I now have for the fridge.
Yeah, you know, people always like, oh, I can't have this. You can literally think of any keto food in the world, or any food that you love that's not keto friendly, and there is a keto version of it. People just, we're just gonna be quiet and eat.
It's my job. Quiet and eat.
Just watch us eat. Guys, like this video if you would love to make these. Let's see, what's Miss Stuckert's answer? Oh, if she loves them, that's how you know they are amazing. Try this out, guys. It is so easy.
Don't be afraid to pour a little extra salt on top to give it just that extra amazingness. All I have to say is nothing.
Did you like it?
Dude, you guys saw this thing was full and now it's gone. We ate all of them. My mom assisted and we ate them all. I have to say they're absolutely delicious. Blew me away and everyone else here. Exceeded my expectations. Highly recommend. Super simple and easy. Guys, it's all in the seasoning. Epic recipe today. Hope you guys end up doing this. Comment below if y'all are into fries, because I know I am. And we got a lot more coming, so stay tuned. Bye.